Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We had a great trading signal today, probably the best one of the live trading room, and that was a buy signal in the soybeans market. And what we were looking at specifically was several things. This market came down, you can see, to new lows, and we can see momentum is gradually slowing down. So we have a strong momentum here, strong downside momentum. We have weaker downside momentum in here, and then finally the ultimate jab to new lows. We have slowing momentum even still. So that on a 240-minute chart paints a beautiful picture of what's happened here. We also traded down and significantly undervalued, which trades less than 2% of the time. It's a very undervalued state. This final climax here on the downside is often indicative of a final push in a direction. In this case, it happened to be a down push. And then also notice that we took out the lows from our previous lows back in November 16th. So notice that the market here jabbed down, and the whole time it was underneath there, it was significantly undervalued. And it jabbed down, took out all the stops from the low on November 16th, and then turned right around and came right back up. So this type of signal is one of the best ones we tend to come across over time. And I think there's some traders that actually went long this. Hopefully they didn't get stopped out because the market literally corrected, I think, within possibly one tick of the stop that we had identified in the trading room. So I'm hoping that they are still in this trade. But this was a great example of what we try to look for in terms of bullish divergences, markets trading in significantly undervalued territories, and then also eclipsing previous low points as well. The combination of all that creates a dynamite potential trade here. There is a chance that this low right here in soybeans, front month right now is March, this low could end up being the ultimate low for the entire move, and that's at 1356. We'll see if it actually ends up being that way, but oftentimes when these lows are ultimately put in place, this is what they look like. This just happened to be a trade that unfolded today, and it may be a very, very good one for those who are still involved in holding long positions in the March soybeans contract. We'll continue to watch this market, and there could be a lot more upside here, so we'll keep an eye out for more buy signals if we do indeed see a bottom forming here. And if that's the case, we should see this market really rally hard, at least up to, I'd say, the low 1500s and well beyond that as well. So I say that at least 1500s, but at least 1400s, but possibly going up to test the highs recently up in the low 1500s. So we'll continue to watch this market. If this ends up being a trade that reaches that level without coming back down to the entry points for some of these traders, they've got a dynamite reward to risk trade in the works. That's all we have for this video. Thanks for watching.